Tired of manually checking Woocommerce for order updates and struggling to keep your customers in the loop? In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Woocommerce store with Aisensy, unlocking a world of automated WhatsApp communication for order updates, customer support, and targeted marketing. Let's get started. First, log into your Woocommerce admin dashboard, then navigate to the plugin section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Aisensy WhatsApp Chat. Find the Aisensy WhatsApp Chat plugin in the search results. Click Install now to begin the installation process. Once the plugin is installed, click the Activate button to activate it. After activation, go back to your Woocommerce dashboard and find Aisensy in the left-hand menu. Click on it. This page will prompt you to connect your Aisensy account. You'll need your Aisensy API key and business number. Log into your Aisensy account. You can find your API key under the Profile section, usually within your account settings, and your registered business number in the same area. Copy and paste your Aisensy API key and business number into the corresponding fields in your Woocommerce Aisensy settings. Once done, click the Save Changes button. Congratulations, your Woocommerce store is now connected to Aisensy. You can now configure your WhatsApp message templates for order updates, abandoned cart reminders, and other customer communications directly from your Aisensy dashboard. This integration will save you time, improve customer satisfaction, and boost your sales. Happy automating!